You can reach California's rarest pine forests and highest city peaks for just $2.50 if you know which bus connects to the trolley. First, the logistics. Forget the old compass card. San Diego now uses the Pronto system. You need the app or a physical card to ride. While a one-way fare is $2.50, the day pass is your best friend for these multi-leg trips. Let's start with the crown jewel, Torrey Pines State Reserve. These sandstone cliffs offer the best ocean views in the county, and the trailhead is shockingly accessible via the North County Transit District Bus 101. From Old Town or UCSD, catch the 101. Get off at Camino del Mar and Carmel Valley Road. Do not hike from the highway. Walk safely into the South Beach entrance. It's a steep walk up the pavement to the trailheads, but worth it. If you want a summit challenge, head inland to Mission Trails Regional Park to conquer Cowles Mountain, the highest point in the city. This requires a transfer, so check the Pronto app for connection times. Take the Green Line trolley to Grantville Station. Transfer to Bus 115. Get off at Gulf Crest DR and Navajo Road. The trailhead is right there. It's zero shade, so start early. For a relaxed ocean vibe, hit the La Jolla Coast Walk. Take Bus 30 from Old Town directly to La Jolla Village. This route drops you steps away from the seals at the children's pool and the trail entry. A quick warning on Cabrillo National Monument. While Route 84 technically goes there, it has historically limited schedules. Unless you verify the specific seasonal runtime, it's safer to take a rideshare from the Point Loma residential area. Finally, the wildest option, the border day trip. Take the Blue Line trolley all the way south to San Isidro. You can walk across the pedestrian bridge into Tijuana. It's an urban hike requiring a passport, but entirely car-free. San Diego has a microclimate trap you must avoid: the marine layer versus inland heat. Even if it's cloudy at the beach, Cowles Mountain can be 90 degrees and sunny. Pack water accordingly. Here is your complete cheat sheet for San Diego transit hiking. Screenshot this for route numbers, estimated travel times from downtown, and difficulty levels. Grab your Pronto card and hit the trails. Safe hiking.